If your logo peeling or color change after a period of use, what will your customer think? Screen printing, digital printing, heat transfer. How is the durability? Testing tells you.
This one works like a washing machine. We put the printed fabric piece in and start the cycle. There is a digital counter. Under GB standards, it usually runs 1 to 3 cycles depending on the print type. We will see to know when to take it out. After that, it needs to air dry naturally, usually at least 12 hours.
This test mainly for checking if the print peels off. Also, it can test laminating material to see if adhesive holds up. At the same time, we need to do the printing color fastness test.
This machine runs at a set high temperature and high humidity. We put another printed fabric piece in and leave it for 75 hours. Test time is the national standard, not negotiable.
Now I have the results from both tests.
For peeling, we can directly see if the print has come off. For color fastness, the sample needs to be evaluated in a professional rating room to determine the color fastness grade. The technician sets the light to D65, which mimics natural light per national standards, and then it needs the GB standard color change reference card. The same fabric can look different under various light. That's why a fixed environment is required for accurate grading.
Every retailer has to pass a professional exam to get certified, and they are retested every 2 years. If you are colorblind, this job is probably not for you.
If the print doesn't pass, we will send it back to production to reassess and adjust the printing process.
Logo represents your brand's image. We got your back. If you are looking for a supply chain partner who treats your quality standard as their own, we would like to talk.